Terra Classic gains 26% in a week despite tumbling open interest, and what's next for Lunc? These questions and more news we will discuss in today's video. Welcome to CryptoWhale. Don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. So if you're interested in everything around Terra Classic, this is the place for you. So let's start with next Lunc price level. The altcoin market is gaining momentum as Bitcoin's recent inactivity has ended with significant surges in the past 48 hours, with the BTC price rising above $47,000. Daily liquidations have exceeded $154 million. This has revived the Lunc price, and it is facing a surge in buying demand despite shaky open interest. Additionally, recent network developments have triggered a wave of short liquidations for Terra LUNA Classic price. According to CoinGlass data, the price of Lunc experienced a total liquidation of nearly $35,000 in the past 24 hours, with sellers accounting for approximately $23,000 worth of positions liquidated. Terra LUNA Classic has regained momentum following the market's recovery, posting a gain of over 26% in the last 7 days. This surge was sparked by the passing of a crucial proposal by the community. The community voted in favor of implementing mandatory Know Your Customer procedures for all L1 developers as an additional security measure amidst efforts to enhance blockchain development by welcoming third-party developers. Following the approval of the proposal, each developer will be required to undergo the KYC process before commencing work on the chain. Additionally, any new member added to the team after the proposal's passage must also complete the KYC process. These safety and security measures are implemented when new developer groups propose to work on the chain. Specific details will remain undisclosed and will only be disclosed in the event of legal action. Nevertheless, despite the rising bullish market sentiment, the open interest in Lunc price is declining, having fallen from its peak of $10.7 million to a recent low of $8 million. Moreover, the long-short ratio is experiencing a significant decline, touching 0.4489, indicating that 69% of total positions are inclined towards anticipating a price decline. The price of Lunc continued its surge, marking a 16% gain for the week. However, this upward momentum is struggling near 0.3012 as sellers increase their dominance. Presently, Lunc trades at 0.3011, reflecting an increase of over 0.8% from yesterday's rate. Currently, bulls are aggressively defending against a decline below 0.3001, recognizing that a drop below this level would boost sellers' positions. Amid this, bears are exerting pressure by pushing the price below the EMA 20 on the 4-hour price chart. The 20-day EMA is stabilizing around $0.000108, and the relative strength index consolidates around the midline. This suggests the trading range may hover around the bearish zone of moving averages. If buyers succeed in sending the price above $0.300115, a surge towards $0.3013 becomes plausible. Conversely, a drop below the moving averages could trigger a decline to $0.4009. So can Lunc price keep climbing after clearing $0.3001 hurdle? Terra Classic traded at $0.3011 on Friday, maintaining a 2% growth in the last 24 hours. The technical picture on the 4-hour chart shows Lunc oscillating between two key levels: the 20-day EMA resistance at $0.3011 and the 20-day EMA support at $0.300108. If the MACD indicator flashes a buy signal in the coming sessions, new buy orders would build the momentum to trigger a rally, targeting the next key resistance at $0.3013. This buy signal will manifest as the MACD line in blue crosses above the signal line. Green histograms above the neutral area will affirm the breakout. Unlike many altcoins that broke out on Thursday and Friday as Bitcoin ascended above $47,000, Terra Classic is in consolidation, undergoing a squeeze before the ultimate breakout to $0.3002. The 20 EMA and the 50-day EMA reinforce the gradually forming uptrend as they move higher in tandem with the Lunc price. With this, why the Terra Classic is ready to explode. Amid the market-wide recovery going on in the crypto market, altcoins such as Terra Classic have stood out to crypto analysts due to their fundamentals being more bullish than others. Crypto analyst Diamond Hands has elaborated on how bullish the Lunc price is and why it is ready for a blow-off top. In an analysis shared on X, the crypto analyst singled out Lunc as one of the altcoins that is ready to rally. This analysis showed the movement of the altcoin over the last few months, which has managed to maintain a consistent support level above $0.407. The analyst also points to the Terra Classic community remaining strong, as well as support for Binance as other reasons why the Lunc price is ready to rally. Binance, the largest crypto exchange in the world, has continued to support the Terra Classic community by burning fees generated from Lunc trading on the platform. These burns have worked to help reduce the supply of Lunc, thereby giving it more value in the open market. In the last iteration of its scheduled burns, the crypto exchange sent over 2 billion tokens to the burn address at the start of February, before burning another 135,000 tokens on the same day. As expected, these burns gave the altcoin a much-needed push, sending the trading volume soaring 700%, and the price saw 20% gains as a result. As the community remains strong and more burns are expected from the crypto exchange, the bullish narrative for the Lunc price continues to grow. The crash of the Terra network, which led to the absolute decimation of the Lunc token, is a tale that will not soon be forgotten by crypto investors. The collapse of the network triggered the bear market, which started in 2022, and the token has suffered as a result since then. Nevertheless, the community has not given up on the coin and has continued to implement proposals in a bid to help the token recover. However, not all of the proposals have gotten approval from the Terra community, which is required to make any move. One of the revival proposals that have been rejected is the Signal Prop Investigate EVM functionality proposal, which aims to include EVM compatibility on the Terra blockchain. This would have meant that the blockchain would become interoperable with EVM blockchains such as Ethereum. The proposal would eventually be rejected by the community, with the majority of validators voting against it. According to all nodes, a Terra Classic validator, cost concerns were the major drivers for the proposal being rejected. And lastly, will Lunc reach $1? The Terra Classic ecosystem was going through a tough period after the collapse of the UST stablecoin in May 2022. The Lunc token, formerly known as Luna, dipped to near zero levels and has struggled to regain its position. The community behind Terra Classic has shown resilience, and several developments could potentially lead to a price recovery in the coming months. However, it's not easy for Luna Classic to reach the target of $1. Several factors will play important roles in this target. Burn mechanism. Terra Classic has implemented a burn mechanism that reduces the circulating supply of Lunc tokens. This could lead to increased scarcity and higher prices if demand remains the same. Community support. The Terra Classic community is passionate and dedicated to reviving the project. They have been actively developing new projects and proposals to revive the ecosystem. New developments. Several new projects are being developed on the Terra Classic blockchain, including a new stablecoin and a decentralized exchange. These projects could bring new users and value to the ecosystem. Price fluctuations in BTC. Bitcoin is still considered the engine of the crypto market. If Bitcoin's performance is bullish, the performance of altcoins like Luna Classic can also have a great impact. As BTC is rising, the same is true with Luna Classic and other altcoins. Bitcoin is pumping again, which is impacting the whole crypto scenario. In the last quarter of 2023, Luna Classic has grown by 330%, which is a massive success for the Lunc. The current pumping has raised the hope of Lunch investors for the target of $1. If such performance continues, the Lunc coin may reach the target of $1 in the next few months. So how do you think? What's next for Lunky price? Disclaimer: this video does not force you to buy any cryptocurrency or invest in anything. With this, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed it, please give this video a huge thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, let us know in the comments your views on the Lunc token, and make sure to turn on the post notifications to get notified every time we post a new video.